In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion database ID. This is something you will definitely need if you plan to use integrations, automations, or connect Notion with other tools. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly where to find your database ID and how to copy it correctly, all in just a few simple actions. First, make sure you are logged into Notion and that your workspace is open. On the left side of the screen, you will see the sidebar with all of your pages and databases listed. Over time, this list can grow quite long, especially if you use Notion for tasks, projects, notes, or personal tracking. Take a moment to locate the specific database you want to work with, then click on it to open it fully. Once the database is open, you should see the familiar database view with rows, columns, and properties. Now, look up at the top of your browser window and focus on the address bar. The URL you see there contains important information about your Notion page, including the database ID. At first glance, it may look like a confusing mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, but there is a specific part we are looking for. In the URL, find the section that starts right after the last slash and continues until just before the question mark. This section is the database ID. It is usually a long string made up of letters and numbers, often separated by hyphens. Think of it as a unique fingerprint for your database. This is how Notion and external tools know exactly which database they are referencing. If your database is inside another page, the URL may look a bit longer, but the rule stays the same. The database ID always begins after the final slash and ends before the question mark. Take your time here and carefully highlight only that section. On some devices, double-clicking or triple-clicking can make it easier to select the correct part. After highlighting the database ID, copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. You have now successfully copied your Notion database ID. You can paste this ID wherever it is needed, such as in an automation tool, an integration setup, or your own notes for later use. As a quick reminder, if you are ever unsure, remember that the database ID starts after the last slash and stops before the question mark. Do not include anything after the question mark, and that is all there is to it. Once you know where to look, finding your Notion database ID becomes fast and easy. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.